Can't really see too much, but the boys are out there making a ski jump. Sunday after, what do we get, 3 snowstorms here? Driveway, look at this. Four feet of snow on 3 storms. House is all iced up. Old M37 in the garage right there. She's getting ready to go. New brakes next week, I think. There's the old Ford F-150. Body, like I say, she's a little ratty on the body, but the chassis is okay. Standard shift 4-wheel drive 6-cylinder, and that's going to have a Cummins turbo 4-cylinder diesel as soon as we get rid of some of the snow. Like I say, there's a lot of it here. I'm going to dig out about 4 feet over the last 3 storms. Good old New England. If you don't like the weather, wait a minute, it'll change. And there's the old deuce back there, tucked away. That gives you a rough idea of how much snow. That snow on the roof is fresh from the last storm. That was that Thursday last week, so they predicted 10 inches. I say that's got to be 16 anyway, and she's sunk down a bit.